What's up, everybody? It's your boy Lavish. I'm gonna show you really quick how to create your Bitcoloan account, deposit your funds, and execute your loan. I'm gonna try to do it within 10 minutes. Really easy, really simple, and hella profitable. So, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. But here we go. Look, so either if you guys are on here, I already sent you a link and you already created your account with this. That's fine. If you didn't yet, in this video there will be a link in the description below. Click the link below, and once you click that link, you copy and paste it in your browser. It's gonna bring you to the Bitcoloan page. Earn up to 1.4% daily. You're gonna click start now. Once you click start now, it's gonna ask you for, you can sign up with your email address or you can sign up with your mobile number. I signed up with my email address. So you're gonna click email, put your email in, create your password. You guys know how to do that. I am a human. Let's get it. All right, get started. You're gonna, after you click get started, it's gonna take you to your dashboard. Now, your dashboard is gonna say 0 BTC. I put money in here because BTC takes a little while, but you can fund whatever you want. So go to whatever platform you go to buy crypto, and once you buy the crypto, you're gonna want to send it over here. Now, the only coins you can fund this with to make your 1% a day is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. Those are the only coins. So go, I don't know what country or region you're from, whether you use Binance, whether you use Coinbase, whether you use Cash App, whether you use another app that I don't know about to buy your crypto. Figure out what the best one is for your region and the quickest. Buy the crypto you want to use to make your 1% a day. The amount you want, I think the minimum is like 100, maybe 50 to $100. I mean, the more the better. You can make a lot of money with this. So once you get that crypto, cool, buy it on the platform, have it ready. Now watch, let's just say you want to do Bitcoin or Ethereum. I did Bitcoin already, so let's just try that. So we're gonna click, let's go to deposit so we can get straight to it. So you're gonna click deposit up here at the top of your menu. You're gonna click add money. Once you click add money, it's already gonna be in your Bitcoin. So now remember, if you wanted to do Ethereum, you would have clicked Ethereum, add money. If you want to do Dogecoin, you could do Dogecoin, add money. You can do Litecoin, add money. But we're gonna do Bitcoin, so add money. Once you get here, it's gonna ask you select the currency. We already selected Bitcoin, it's there. And now they're gonna ask you the amount, but they're not asking you the dollar amount, they're asking you the Bitcoin amount. So I already looked it up. How much is $150 worth of Bitcoin? It's 0.0045. So 0.0045. It's gonna tell you right there. Will appear 0.0045 Bitcoin will appear on your balance after 3 confirms. I can't talk right now. What the fuck? All right, look. Once you click that, it's gonna show you the address to send it to. So you're gonna copy that address. You copy that shit. Boop. You're gonna go to the app that you bought the crypto on, whether that's the same app on your phone, your computer, whatever. And you're gonna send the Bitcoin that you want to send, or Ethereum or Litecoin, whatever you want to fund it with. Copy the address, send it from there. They're gonna tell you what address to send it to. You're gonna paste this address in there. You're gonna click send, confirm, however your platform does it. Then it's gonna load. This timer's going down. And then it's gonna say successful. You don't have to wait on that page. Once you send it, you can go back to home, and you can see it on your app too. It should tell you whatever you use when it confirms. The second it confirms, the money's in there. So as you can see right here, I have 0.005 BTC. So we go to deposits. Remember, back to deposits, and this is where we do our loan. You know what I'm saying? So guys, Bitcoin is at a cheap price right now. It's the best if you wanted to do a loan. I'm not a financial advisor, entertainment purposes only, do your own research. But I think for me, it's the best time to do Bitcoin, because loaning, especially because it's at a really cheap price, and they're gonna pay me dividends. They're gonna pay me almost 1% Bitcoin every single day for 90 days. And I love that because I'm executing this when Bitcoin's really low in price. So no matter what, if Bitcoin goes up tomorrow 10-20%, I'm still making this much Bitcoin every day, because that's what they agreed to when I clicked that button. When I click that button, that's what we agreed to, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So 0.005 Bitcoin. Remember, the lower the days, the less percentage. I want all that percentage. Oh, give me it. I want all that percentage. So pause. So I want 90 days. We're gonna do 0.9 total return, 181 plus 2.7% at whatever. My daily payoff is gonna be 0.0000465 Bitcoin. Total payoff is 0.009185 Bitcoin. Yeah, alright. Sound like nothing now, but watching about a year, you feel me? Y'all gonna be like, yo, Lavish, can I borrow 0.000001 Bitcoin, dog? Please, I gotta pay my rent. I'm gonna be like, nah, bro. I have 1 Bitcoin, bro. I'm a millionaire. All right, so look, find borrower. Now it's gonna search. Once you click that, you execute the trade, you execute the loan. It's finding my borrower. Loading. Yo, it's Mehmet McCanally. Sure, whatever. Accepting my loan. Show my deposit. Boom. Now we got 2. Yo, y'all don't know how hype I am about this because this tutorial is supposed to be short. I think we're still under 10 minutes. Let me show you real quick. How compounding works, young buck. Let me show you real quick how this thing gonna do that thing right there. Alright, so look. We got 0.00717. Alright, look. So right now I'm making 1% Bitcoin a day, right? I put about 150 in. Forget the Bitcoin. 0.000465. That's every single day times 90. It's gonna be 0.004185. Now, if I do this every single day, all the money I make, I compound it over and over and over and over. Mind you, Bitcoin's at like 30. When it's at 60, this is gonna be worth double. So that's gonna be worth double the price. It's gonna be the equivalent of having this. What's times 2? It's gonna be the equivalent of having this. 1 Bitcoin's double the price. Can I copy this? I have to type it in 0.00837. So check this out. 0.00837. This is when Bitcoin is only at 60, right? 60,000. There we go. So look, I put in, what is it? I don't know how much is 0.00837 BTC. Boom, $276. So look at that, more than double what I put in already. So that's the power of this. Meanwhile, that's not just that trade. Every time I get the profit, I'm redepositing, I'm reloaning. I'm gonna get this back every day, reloan, get it back, reloan. And that's how in 90 days from now, I'll be having like 10 loans pay me daily every single day. That's gonna be crazy. The compounding on that's gonna be ridiculous. So that's really the sauce right there. And look at what Albert Einstein said. I'm gonna leave it at this one for you guys. I spelled his name wrong, but that's what Google's for. Wow. What did Albert Einstein say? Comments. Look at this. Look. Quick, short thing. Compounding is the most powerful force in the universe, bro. This example shows why. I'm not gonna read all this, but compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. You want to know why? Because your mind can't fathom. You can't fathom 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Your mind can't do that. And because you can't see the end result of that, it's a big ass number. You assume that it's not as big as you think as it really is. Does that make sense? Because you're thinking about the one number that it's multiplying. In reality, that's really the key. So, hey, I don't know what you're going to do, but I'm a compound. And if y'all want to do the 90-day challenge with the kid, let's do it. 90 days, every single loan. Every single loan. But all right, guys, link is below. Sign up. You're probably already signed up. Deposit. You already have the tutorial on how to do that. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Lavish out.